You're not just running a shop, you're building a business. For years, Techmetric has helped shops run better, with one platform for every repair, every payment, every customer. Now, that same platform helps you fill bays and bring customers back automatically. Every booking, every message, every update in one place. Introducing Tekmetric Marketing. From online booking and reminders to reviews, campaigns, and post-visit follow-ups, Tekmetric Marketing helps you drive return visits and build stronger customer relationships, all within the Tekmetric platform. And when great service turns into great reviews, it brings the next customer in without you lifting a finger. One platform, one login, one partner. Tekmetric. Keep your customers coming back. No marketing degree required.